Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this debate. And first of all, as the government side, I would like to open by mentioning the statement that we believe, this House believes that developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. But first, I would like to define some terms in this motion. First is developing countries. What is developing countries? Well, they are countries that are still seeking to advance economically or technologically, and they are typically countries that still has low human resources quality, low national income, poor public services and facilities, poor public facilities, etc. And this also implies that developing countries still has a lot of room for improvement, and therefore also a lot of opportunities to be taken so that the countries could be more prosperous. And next is what is foreign companies. Foreign companies are business which has its main base in another countries. They are beholden to that country's regulation, and therefore they also tend to practice business process from that country, and they also tend to be more tied to its origin country, and therefore hiring or bringing a workforce from their home country. And as for the urgency as to why we are proposing this motion is because Indonesia as a developing country is continuing to grow every day, and therefore it means that there are a lot of opportunities to be taken in Indonesia. Developing countries, which are typically countries who gained their independence in the past few decades, and which is only recently have a lot of room to grow, and therefore that room to grow can either be used effectively by the government to be on the same level internationally as other countries, or it can be exploited or taken advantage of by foreign powers through foreign companies. And in Indonesia here there are a lot of foreign companies in various sectors, such as Google in telecommunications, Toyota, Suzuki, or other automotive companies in the automotive sectors. Maybank, which is a Malaysian bank in economy or banking, and then there is also a Marriott Hotel in tourism. And while these foreign companies provide a lot of national income for the government, because doing business, foreign companies doing business here, they have to apply for permit and pay taxes. So yes, it will generate income for our countries, but it also runs the risk of foreign powers dominating various sectors in Indonesia, which should have been controlled by the locals, and they also threaten to steal job opportunities and occupying the economic scene from the locals, and therefore taking the prosperity and work that should have been the government's responsibility to provide for its citizens. And that's why the government it's the government responsibility to provide a way of equality so that the local and the foreign companies are balanced, because on one side we need these the foreign companies, the foreign capital to be able to kickstart our economies, but on the other hand we also have to prevent them from occupying too much of our own economy. By proposing this motion, we believe that there are benefits for various actors, and even for the foreign companies. First of all, for the foreign companies, this motion will increase favorability with the locals, because by providing job opportunities for the locals will be more likely to have a positive view of that companies, and therefore buying products from them, and that's why it can also increase their business. And the second, for the citizens, I think it's quite obvious. By the government imposing a minimum quota of hiring local workers, it will increase the likelihood of getting jobs at these companies, and then creating more job opportunities. There's for the locals, for the citizens, it can also be an opportunity to learn from foreign companies, adopting and learning from their business process and applying it to build their own companies. And as for the government, this motion will fulfill the responsibilities of providing welfare for its citizens. And by proposing this motion, we believe that the government imposing a percentage of workers in foreign companies to have to be local workers will benefit everyone. And I believe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Good morning.